Hello, in this video I will briefly introduce you to Parzival's current and future initiatives. I will tell you about our goals, vision and mission. This is a weekend school, Parzival's first project. We started building this space with our own hands in September 2021 and we began teaching in October 2022. The school is intended for children aged 8 to 15 living in Tetritzkara municipality, and it aims to develop additional skills like creativity necessary for their healthy development. The same building serves to Parzival Youth Seminar. The project aims to support young people in the direction of self-awareness, self-determination, and professional orientation. It's intended for young people aged 18 to 27. Next to the school, on a small plot of land, is our small garden. Its purpose is to provide our own initiatives with healthy biodynamic products, as well as to popularize this method of farming in the region through educational activities. Right here, behind the school, we plan to build a small workshop. The workshop, together with the production of different products, will have an educational function for the adults and youth of the local municipality. Currently, the project is in implementation stage and we are creating wood and ceramic products. Small cottages are planned to be built near the workshop, which will help us host and provide accommodation for people interested in Parzival's life and its initiatives. Exactly behind this forest, the Rite Therapy project is planned to be implemented. A horse stable will be built on this plot of land with a small arena next to it. The Rite Therapy project aims to help children overcome various physical and emotional problems through horse riding. At the same time, here many interesting tourist trails will be traced, and it will be possible to learn horse riding at an amateur level as well. Our projects are a school, a youth seminar, a ride therapy, a garden, a workshop. Although the listed projects are individual and autonomous, they feel and support each other as well. Exactly this is a vision of the future, to create a space, an environment in which diverse initiatives will gather. And between each initiative will be the principle of brotherhood and not competition. We aim to create a healthy environment where every young person will have the opportunity to test their skills, discover, understand and gain knowledge in the fields that interest them. Along with all this, we consider it our main obligation to contribute to development of Tetritzkara municipality by collaborating with the local government and non-governmental organizations. This was a short story about us. We are waiting for each interested person to visit us, where we will tell you in detail and in depth who we are and what we desire.